Hey there, so welcome to the final video of my Make Your Stock Glock Not Suck series. We went through a few different upgrades on this pistol right here. The couple things that I believe are most important when you're talking about a stock Glock and you want to make it some improvements on it, mainly being changing out, of course, the sights and then the trigger. So I did get a chance to take this thing out to the range and do some shooting. I had 0 malfunctions. I probably ran at least 100 rounds through it, and the trigger spot on. The sights are, at least for me, vastly improved over the factory sights. So here's the thing about this video series. I was kind of poking fun at the Glock folks, and hopefully Glock folks and the Glock haters, if you will, all get kind of a little chuckle out of this whole series. But really, when it comes down to a handgun or a pistol for self-defense, I mean, honestly, it's an individual thing. So some people like Glock, some people like this and that and the other, and it's really akin to the Ford, Chevy, Dodge debate, of us Americans. Everybody has their own car manufacturer that it's got to be this. So I won't be the first one to tell somebody, oh, you have to have this type of pistol or this brand or make or model or whatever pistol. Honestly, get what you're comfortable shooting, get what you can afford. If you can afford something better quality, great. The big thing is that you want something that's reliable and dependable when you need it. So, and that's one thing that, folks can't really knock on Glocks. They have a proven track record. That's why they were chosen by military and law enforcement over the years around the world. But there are lots of other really good pistols out there that come in at a better price point. I have a Smith & Wesson Shield. Awesome pistol, costs considerably less than let's say a Glock 43 or 43X, 48, whatever different version they have out now. And honestly, out the box, it's a nicer shooting pistol. The same could be said for, and now I don't have any first-hand experience with one of these yet. I haven't had opportunity to shoot one, but the SIG P365, same thing. Out the box, people say, well, there's really nothing you need to do to it. Whereas most times, at least in my opinion, when it comes to a factory Glock, at least the Gen 4 and older ones, they definitely leave a few things left to be desired. Again, kind of that's what started this whole video series, was what items are important to me to upgrade on a stock Glock pistol to improve upon. So anyways, there you have it. Thanks again for watching. If you like what you see, throw a like down there, subscribe, that sort of thing. And if you have any ideas for something else, upgrade or for this Glock in the future, and that doesn't mean throw it in the trash can for the Glock haters. But anyways, seriously, thanks a lot for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.